Ha ha ha! All right, a little blues there. Hey, I got some stuff going on here on the bench here. It's been a while since I did a little update on the bench. So, talk to you guys about the 1992 Jeff Bodine Ford Motorcraft AMT. It's coming along very nicely so far. I've said before, these AMT kits, not as cool as the monogram kits, but very, very underrated. I think more people should do them. I got a funny story about this deck lid here. I'm missing the deck lid here. The trunk lid, whatever you want to call it, the rear lid. So I went outside to paint it. This is a tester's paint. I had some leftover tester's red, and I think it was a really good match for the color. I'm using the box lid here for some tools. I think that's a really good color there. I got a bunch of stuff in there. Use what you got, right? So I went outside to do some painting, and man, I walked outside. Excuse me, walked outside, and the deck lid in my hand fell right out of my hand, right through the wood slats on my deck. So it is below the deck. Now it's not hard to get to. It's just I don't go underneath the deck often, so I'm gonna have to go under there pretty soon here now that the weather's changing because I'm gonna be doing some gutter cleaning. So I got a can off to the side, and the dog came back, making her. Oh, now she's camera shy, making her video appearance. But yeah, it's sitting under my deck. I mean, it just fell, boom, and I was like, oh. So as soon as I get that, I get the paint ready for that and decal it up and then polish it up. Really liking the polishing I'm using here. It's got a nice glossy shine to it. It wasn't the most perfect paint job. You can see there's a lot of little bumps and crap in it. But it wasn't the most perfect paint job. But you know what? It's cool. So the other problem I'm having with this car, I mentioned it once before on a previous update, is the one tire here. I lost the backing to, and that one's got the little peg that goes in right here. Got the little peg that goes into it, which then goes into the little hoomajiggy up here. My hand got in the way there, so the little piece right in there. So I found some these backings that seem to fit, but I haven't figured a way to put something in there to get the tire in there yet. So I'll get to that shortly. The wheels come out really nice again. I really love what I do with the NASCAR decals. Wheels, I should say. Engine. This looks pretty good. I like this one. So it's still a work in progress. I need to touch up the front grille a little bit there because you can see I totally screwed up there. So we'll get that going. Take your time. It'll come along. So, been got that going. I don't have anything sitting here. This is a little Jada toy, huh? You like that, huh? Pontiac Trans Am, huh? You like these? These are cool. I think these are 132nd. Hey, dog's chasing his tail. Oh, dog, what are you, camera shy? Chase your tail again. Okay, yeah, say hi to the happy people. Okay, now shut up. So, yeah, I got this on my desk. This is cool. I know it's a toy, but who cares? Alright, anyways. I had to get myself a new X-Acto blade. I'm going to try one of these big fat handle ones. Here comes the dog again. Big fat handle. Hey. Alright, big fat handle ones. I was doing some work outside, and I was using my X-Acto blade to cut some stuff. I put it on the top of the air conditioner unit outside, and it rolled right down, and it's sitting at the bottom of the air conditioner unit, and then it rained for 3 days. So I figured that's gone. So picked up one of these. So I got, for my next project, a 63 Ford Galaxy 500 XL. I don't know what the XL stands for, other than extra large or extra cool or whatever. Old AMT kit, current release of it. Now this car here, I'm going to paint it two-tone. I got the blue and the white top, the blue color. There's a car that I see every day when I go to work. Actually come home from work. It's sitting out in a, she's chasing her tail again. Oh, dog, you know when I put the camera up. Anyways, alright, so it's the blue with the white top. It's got some Kragers on it. I don't know if I have a set of Kragers in my stash box to use, but we'll see what I can do. But I got a picture I'll put over this. It's kind of hard to get a picture of it while you're driving, but I see it every day, and I really want to get that sucker going. So I got that, and then girlfriend and I were out at whatchamacallit, Michael's earlier today, actually. She had to get some stuff for school activities. School's starting up around the corner. And they got the 20% off coupon. Not as interested as the uh, Hobby Lobby 40% off. But for 20% off, I was able to get the 67 Supernatural Impala. This is one of my girlfriend's favorite shows. I gotta admit, it's a pretty damn good show. I really like it too. Dog is barking like crazy out there. So, anyways, been wanting to build this one for a while because this is just a fan favorite of the household. So it's a great show. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. So this one should be fun. I built the two-door 67 Impala, really cool. So do that after the Ford kit. So I just wanted to update you guys on what I'm doing here because it's been a while, and I appreciate everyone watching the videos of the pickup truck and the Porsche kit. Those were very cool builds. I'd like to do another one of those 53 Fords as a custom. Yeah, this is a custom. I'd like to do that one again. But as you can see, I got stuff to do already. And yeah, appreciate everybody watching, commenting, liking, all that cool stuff. I always appreciate that. So I keep trying to catch up on your guys' videos. I know I'm so far behind. I apologize for that. I try. I really do. But, you know, summer. So we out and about doing our things. So yeah, just a quick update, and I'll let you know how it goes on with the race car, and I should be starting the Ford up here pretty soon. So I'll see you guys later. Everyone take care of yourselves. Rock and roll, peace, love, and all that good stuff. Catch you around.